Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab printer offline, Bambu Handy and Studio not connecting solutions. Fix 1. Refresh the connection. For Bambu Handy app, open the Maker World or Me tab. Wait for about 5 seconds, then return to the devices page to refresh the connection. If the printer still appears offline, force close the app and reopen it. Bamboo Studio. Click your profile in the top left corner, select Logout and wait for a few seconds. After that, sign back in again. Now power cycle the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. Fix 2. Check your network connection. Make sure the printer is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if required by your setup. If your router combines 2.4 and 5 GHz under one Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a separate 2.4 GHz SSID to improve connection stability. Now on the printer's screen, open network/WLAN settings and verify that it has a valid IP address. If it doesn't, reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. Fix 3. Rebind the printer. Open the account or user menu on the printer, then sign out of your Bamboo account. A QR code will appear on the printer screen, then open the Bamboo Handy app, scan the QR code, and complete the pairing process. Fix 4. Check firewall or antivirus. Bamboo Studio. Make sure your computer is connected to a private network instead of a public network. Then allow Bamboo Studio through your firewall or antivirus. Temporarily disable your VPN or firewall to check if they are blocking the connection. Fix 5. Use LAN only mode. Enable LAN only mode from the printer's network/WLAN settings. Note the display access code. In the Bamboo Studio, open the device tab, select the printer under other devices, and from there enter the access code to connect locally. Fix 6. Update the firmware offline. Download the correct offline firmware package for your printer from the official Bambu Lab website. Now copy the firmware file to the root directory of a micro SD card, then insert the card into the printer and go to settings, then go to firmware, then go to update from SD card and allow the update to finish without any interruption. Fix 7. Format the micro SD card. Remove the micro SD card from the printer, then back up any important files. Now format the card as FAT32 on your computer and reinsert the card and restart the printer. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.